What is up, guys? So today I am doing a tutorial with the Gem Rock Universal palette. The first color I'm going in with is Browning. I'm just spreading this in my crease. The next color I'm taking is an orange color and is Eyeshadow. And then I follow up with a yellow color which is named Eyeliners in the palette. Here I am just blending all the colors together in the crease just to give it a ombre effect. Once I'm done with that, I go in with the color Fluffy, which is this really cute maroon brown color. I am using this as a base or outer color for the pigment or glitter that I'm going to put on top. Next, I'm using one of my favorite combos, the BH Cosmetics glitter and the NYX glitter glue. I love these together. The glitter goes right on. It's actually very easy to manipulate and make work. I find that patting the glitter on allows you to pack more and get that desired look that you're going for. Next, I'm going in with the color Purple just to give it more of an ombre and also to give it more of a smoky eye type look. You have to make sure you have a very soft hand when applying eyeshadows or your look could get completely messed up. Next, I'm going in with the CoverGirl Black Jet Black eyeliner. It's their liquid eyeliner that I absolutely love. And today I'll be trying out the Jody lashes from Plain and Makeup by Yolanda. So let's see how we like these. My foundation routine is pretty much the same as any other you guys might have seen. I apply it with a brush or a blender, blend it out really well. I go ahead and go in with my concealer. I blend that out pretty well. And then I contour and set my concealer. This is also where I go ahead and line or clean up the top of my eyebrows from when we filled them in. Next, I'm going to go in to clean up all the setting powder with my Maybelline Fit Me Poreless Matte pressed powder in the color 365 Mocha. Next, I'm going in with the Juvia's Place Saharan Blush Palette. I'm using my go-to color, which is this really cute maroon color. Guys, it's like 2 o'clock in the morning as I'm recording these voiceovers. I am so sorry if I sound like a mummy or something. I tend to sound weird. So once we're done with all that, we go ahead and apply highlighter, which is the best part. I'm trying out this Playing in Makeup by Yolanda highlighter. I believe it is in the color Rebel. So I'm just taking a fluffy brush, not a super fluffy brush, but low-key a flat fluffy brush, and I'm applying the highlighter on my nose, under my brows, and above my lip, and then I go in with my highlighting brush, and I slowly but surely build up the highlighter so I can get my best result. So right here we are going under the eye with some colors. We're using the colors that we used earlier. I actually like blended literally all 3 of the colors that I used in the crease and stuff. So here. So this is like my favorite lip. I used it like once and I fell in love. It's the color Cranberry from Playing in Makeup by Yolanda. It's a really cute red. As you guys can see, I am obsessed with this red. It's like my go-to red. Okay, I really hope you guys are feeling this video like I am. I mean, I'm feeling this look. I'm loving the red on the eyes. I'm loving the red on the lips. Okay, I see you. I see you. I see you. Oh my god. This is the end of the video. Okay guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure you subscribe and follow my social media pages, which are down in the description box below. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.